Cleaning between your teeth has gotten easier thanks to 9 color-coded sizes of the Tepe interdental brushes. These brushes fit between your teeth to reach that space where dental disease often begins and a toothbrush just can't reach. Tepe created a line of interdental brushes to fit narrow and wider areas between your teeth. All brushes have a plastic-coated wire for safety and comfort, and the user-friendly handle offers a stable grip, which enables cleaning with controlled movements, and the plastic cap can be used for hygienic protection of the brush or to extend the handle. Tepe believes that your dental professional should guide you with the sizing of interdental brushes. If you do not have a dental office, here is a guide to get you started. The best way to start is with the smallest pink size, and then work your way up until you feel the bristles engage the tooth surface and the gum tissue. If you feel the wire touch the tooth or the gums, choose a smaller size. Do not force the brush between the teeth. Many people need 2 to 3 sizes to fit all the spaces between the teeth. So be sure to choose a brush that is not too small. You want to feel the bristles sweep between the teeth to disrupt that sticky plaque that causes dental disease. If you are using interdental brushes for the first time, you may find it difficult to insert the brush straight between your teeth. A helpful tip is to use a slight jiggle or shimmy motion when first inserting the brush. Once inserted, move the interdental brush the full length of the brush back and forth 2 to 3 times. If you still have trouble inserting the brush, try sizing down. The brush may be too large or your gums may be a little swollen from inflammation. Once your tissues begin to heal, you will find that inserting the proper brush for your space may be more comfortable. If you have any trouble reaching the back teeth, you can try the same color and the angle line from Tepe. Cleaning between your teeth every day will help to create a healthy smile. Everyone's going to need to clean between their teeth a little differently, depending on their own oral health needs. Finding what works for you may take some time, but I think you will find the interdental brushes an easy way to clean between your teeth.